Hey guys out there, this is George coming to you, and we are going to review MethodX. We're going to go over what it is, how does it work, what do you have to do kind of thing, and then if you do that, will this actually help you make some money? And I'm actually excited to be able to share with you uh, what this has to offer. I've been kind of blown away, and these are some of the numbers we're going to be going over here: CTR, CPC, and this is a search that they're going to teach us inside of MethodX that's going to help you find all the keywords that you need, where to place them, how to place them, so that way you get some of these click-through rates like 7%, cheap clicks like 70 cents a click. I mean, this is just some fantastic stuff. So this, just like a lot of other things, requires some traffic. And this is going to, MethodX is going to work with you and help you develop your ads and keywords and so forth. And it's a MethodX is where will expose high converting campaigns and allowing your customers, which is kind of you, to have high rates of commissions flowing into their bank account. Now, if you have an agency, same kind of thing. You'll be doing marketing for these guys, and you'll be able to charge more because the results are going to be a whole lot really good. This method, it resolves a lot of the pain points. If you have ever placed ads before, if you've made landing pages, if you've done the affiliate marketing and placing ads and landing pages and keywords, and that stuff can just be frustrating where you keep on throwing money and money and money. And these guys here have got a way that it's fantastic. I went through a lot of the training very slowly because I was just kind of blown away. I was blown away. This is a new method that personally I have not seen. Now, I'm not like the sharpest tool in the shed, but this was really cool. What they shared is just incredible. Set and forget this kind of income system. Yes, once you get all this stuff in place, bam, you can go ahead and promote your offers or anyone else's offers. The results, I believe they're going to be really fast, and 30 minutes to get this up and running. I think there's going to be a little bit more than that, but maybe 3 or 4 hours. It wasn't all that long, so it was pretty cool. Yeah, I believe newbies and experienced marketers can do this. They'll give you your money back in 30 days if this is not for you. So the sales page here is basically, how it's making them $200 to $500 per day passively, and I think you can do a lot better than that. If you're aggressive and you are going for it, bam, I think that you can probably really get it. The sales page here just kind of tells you gives you a lot of numbers, a lot of hype and all that. But what I want to really get into is the nuts and bolts about this. Now, if you're interested in picking up MethodX, there is a link in the bottom of in the YouTube description underneath this video, and you're going to come to a bonus link. If you click on that bonus link, you come here to George's Insane Bonuses. Now, if you decide to go ahead and grab this MethodX, you can go ahead and click on. Actually, this first one here is green, but the rest of them here are they're orange. So you can go ahead and click on any of these orange boxes here, and it will take you over to this sales page here, where you'll actually click on one of these buttons, and then that's how you'll get it. It'll go through the sales page. But on the bonus page here, what I wanted to go over is how this, the prices here, and some bonuses that will actually help this Method X become faster for you and more complete, and give you a better chance of getting this done faster and so forth. And so the price is really here starts at $12.95, and that's where you're going to get the program. And it's not an app or anything like that. It's a training on a bunch of other different programs that are out there and how to use those, like the Microsoft ads, Google ads, an Excel spreadsheet and stuff like that. But it shows you what to do with it and where to extract that information and where to put it and how to filter it and then what to do with it after you filter it. Upgrade number 1 here for another 37 bucks and a downsell of 27. There's a super secret asset, okay? And this will be like a fast track upgrade for you if you'd like to get that. The done for you package for $197 or $97. And there is going to be some keys on there. Now again, go through the sales page and it will show you exactly what you get in that. Upgrade number 3, a profit box for $47 or a downsell for $27. And this is everything you're going to need to maximize the profits, is because really there's 3 types of people. It's like the ones that are going to buy it no matter what, the ones that are not going to buy it no matter what, and all those people in between. Those are the ones that are sitting on the fence. That is like 80%. And this upgrade number 3 here is going to get those fence sitters to convert. That is something that I bet you've not seen in a long time, if at all. Unlimited traffic for another $197 or $97 here. And this is going to be providing anyone with multiple and unique methods in tapping into their traffic sources. Now, I'm going to be giving you a lot of traffic sources down below, so hang on for that, okay? Method upgrade number 5, it's a license right. So if you want to promote this stuff and keep all the money, boom, you can do that, okay? Key benefits: start getting buyer traffic to any link. That's basically whatever you're promoting, you can do it. Affiliate marketing, high ticket, CPA, e-commerce, whole lot more. I think it's going to take you about 3 hours to set this whole thing up if you have not seen anything like this before. Beginner friendly? Yeah, I believe so. And is it the last method? Until something changes, this is really good right now. So I'm going to say that this is the last method you'll need right now. Beta testers have been using it. I believe that. Money back guarantee? Sure. Now, here's a video here. If you want to see the video, again, click down underneath the YouTube video in the description. There's how to get the bonuses. Click on that, and you'll get to this page right here. And also, this is on the sales page. So if you want to watch it again there, you certainly can. If you want to get it, click on any of these buttons here. It'll take you to the sales page. Now, the tutorials here. Atomic, done for you. This is a so-so bonus here. But what's really nice is it's got 50 plus done for you products that you can promote as add-ons. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting product number X, you're going to have a squeeze page. They're going to show you about that, but have a squeeze page there or bridge page. Hey, if you want product number X, well, why don't you can get it there, but I'll tell you what, I'll give you a couple other products, which are these 50 ones down here, and that will entice them to, instead of sitting on the fence, they're going to come on over and buy, all right? These other bonus tutorial here is there's 40 more high quality bonuses. Again, if people join your business, if they sign up and all that, give you more bonuses and programs that you can get away, and that will get those fence sitters off the fence. So, and that can bring your, from 1%, 2%, if that's what you're used to getting, maybe to 20 or 30%. So that's what these bonuses are designed to get you higher, okay? Get your conversions higher. Get more traffic. These are more lead magnets. How to get that traffic to see your squeeze page, to see your offer, okay? You're going to need that. Now, they're going to talk about Bing ads and placing ads and so forth in this MethodX, all right? So how to get 90% off of your AdWords spend. So that's going to save you a whole bunch of money. Bonus number 5 here, this is going to be the expert secrets. So Russell Brunson, if you don't know who he is, ClickFunnels dude, and he's like got the underground playbook here for creating a mass movement of people who will pay you for what you know, okay? And this book is free. Just pay for shipping and just kind of click on that. You can get that through the bonus pages there. Now, these bonuses are going to expire here, I think, on November 4th, which is in 5 or 6 days, depending on where you see this. This product, if you decide to get it, will go through Warrior Plus. Once you decide to buy it, You go up in the upper right corner and you're going to get your access your product, and down here is your get your access your bonuses, and then it will have instructions on how to download these. So let's go ahead and take a look at some more of this product. Now, I believe in these products, they've got to have good training. They've got to have good training because they preach a lot, but what do you have to do? I want to know, what do I have to do? How do I do it? And if I do it, am I going to make some money? So again, what is MethodX? MethodX is a training of a system, let's just say, on how to harvest keywords and what people are searching for and filter that so all the high searched things that people are looking for, you get those, and you get all of their all their words, all of their tags, all of their phrases. You're going to get all that. That's what that is. And what this software does is it's going to show you, it's not software, it's a training, it's going to show you how to harvest that and then where to put it. So that way when you do run it and you spend ads, you're getting the outcome or the output that all the big guys who are making 7 figures a year doing that. That's what this is going to do for you. So if you do implement it, will you make some money? Damn right you're going to make some money. Hope there's no kids watching this. So what is this here? Welcome to, this is part 1 over here, okay? So part B, I'm going to not play this, but I'm going to get on here, make this a little bit bigger, because what is interesting here is these keyword searches and what they do with it. If you can see over here, earn money online, and then it's generating keywords. This is just taking things to a new level here, and then they're going to sort and they're going to search. Look at how many, let me go a little farther because they haven't searched, they haven't done this yet. There we go. Look at this, look at this. Here it is, here it is, here it is. There, boom, look at this here. Impressions. So you're searching on SurveyMonkey, they're going to do something with that, but look at 35,000 clicks, the impressions, and they're showing you where they're coming from and how you're going to get it. And you know, the bid cost, they actually tell you to take these top bids, anything over $1, and throw them out because you don't really need them. See right here, they're going to throw it out. They're going to throw it out. They're showing you how to make this money here. I mean, bam, bam. You guys are going to be, if this is something that you like, you know, make money online and running ads, this is for you. So shows you how to set up your promo pages here, finalizing your traffic, creating ad copy from the sales pages, setting up Bing ads. Again, I give you some bonus on it to help you a little bit easier. Save 90%, okay? Microsoft ads and scale with Google ads. All that stuff is all combined over here. Additional traffic, okay? If you need more traffic, little black book of traffic secret sources. So, bam, that's all there, man. All that stuff is there. And you know, if you're the type of person that does affiliate marketing, sells stuff online, and has ever placed ads, I've placed plenty of ads. I've lost a lot of money. I've made money too. But you know what? This is the bomb. I give this a stamp of approval. So guys, I hope you like this. If you decide to get it, go ahead and click down below in the YouTube description where you see the bonus crate, the bonus, and get it here, plus the bonuses. Click on that, you'll get to this page. And from here, click on this button, which will be green. And the other ones here are orange. Go ahead, click on one of those. That'll take you over to the sales page. From the sales page, go ahead, click on one of these. Go ahead and get it. Make some money out there. Bam!